guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Nisha. Today I'm just chilling. It's rainy, it's cold. Oklahoma plays too much. For those who are in Oklahoma, girl, I know. Here lately, yeah, I have not been filming videos or putting any videos out like I was before, and that's because me and my family have been going through some stuff. Right now I'm just gonna go through the house, try and get as much done right now while the kids are asleep. Groceries were delivered yesterday, and I'm just gonna try and get my life together, and we're gonna see where we go from there. But first, I need to get some coffee. We need coffee. Y'all know how I am when it comes to my coffee. Like, I have to have it. My kids, they wear me out, like, all the time, wear me out. And then the stuff that we've been going through here lately, just stress on top of stress on top of stress, and I don't want to wish this on anybody. So basically take it one day at a time. But first, coffee. Please tell me I'm not the only one that ends up with the sock basket or sock / undies basket, because it's so small. I just want to get the big stuff out the way because it's bulky, it's in my way, and it's annoying. Please tell me I'm not the only one. Now I gotta put this mess up. But like I said, I like doing stuff while the kids are asleep. So easier, instead of them running behind me asking for snacks or taking out exactly what I just put away. I don't know. We'll get it figured out though. Okay, now that I got all that put away, my kids are awake, so I'm gonna go ahead and give them a snack, and I'm gonna probably put them a movie on so the way I can finish getting some more stuff done. I gotta put a load and wash because today is Saturday, and then I gotta fold some more stuff. But I hope it did give you some type of motivation.